seen the title, you seen that thumbnail. Let's go ahead and get into it. Shrimp quesadillas. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. Right here, we have our flour tortillas right here. We have some mozzarella cheese. This is about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Right here, we have our shrimp. This is about 1 pound of shrimp. Now, I just cut the shrimp like into like little bitty chunks like this. You don't have to do that. You can keep them whole. But the reason I do is because I like to spread it throughout the tortilla. You have multiple pieces and bites within that tortilla. That's why I like doing like that. Right here, we have red bell pepper and an orange bell pepper chopped. Now, guys, you can use green, yellow, whatever one you want, but I like this. It just adds a lot of color to it. Actually, I got 1 jalapeno here. I chopped it up. We have some garlic. We have a red onion here. Now, guys, you can use yellow onion if you want to. I didn't have any yellow onions. I have a whole lot of red onions. I said, let me get rid of it. So that's what I got right here. Some garlic powder, olive oil, and we have some taco seasoning right here. So these are the ingredients. Let's get started. All right, so we're at our cooktop. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get that baby on. Add us some olive oil in here. Bring that up to temperature. As it starts to heat up, you wanna go ahead and add your peppers, your onions, your jalapenos, and your garlic. I'm gonna add a little salt to that. And we're just gonna cook these until they soften. Should take about 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so we're about 1.5 minutes in. So we're gonna start adding our shrimp. Add our garlic powder and our taco seasoning. And we're gonna cook this for another minute or so until our shrimp begin to turn pink. All right, so it looks like we're about 3 to 4 minutes in. What we're gonna do now is just start removing our mixture, our shrimp mixture. I'm gonna put it here in a bowl. Let me pause this so it can stop cooking. And guys, look how we have by chopping those shrimp up, look how we gotta spread it all throughout evenly with our bell peppers and onions and garlic. This is gonna make for a better quesadilla, at least in my opinion. But you guys always know or understand, cooking is just a guideline. Be as creative as you want to, but this is how I like to do it. All right, so I'm gonna set this aside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean our pan, come back over, because when we lay our quesadilla in there, we wanna get that nice brownish color, all right? All right, so now we're back here on the cooktop. We're gonna take a little olive oil, and we're just gonna brush it here at the bottom of the pan like this. And we're gonna take one of our tortillas, just gonna lay it there, and on one half, just gonna add a little cheese right here on one half, kind of create you like a moon shape. Then you wanna take some of your shrimp mixture, and we're gonna add it here on top of that cheese. And we're just gonna take more cheese, a little bit more. We're gonna add to the top just like that. And we're gonna take this half, and we're just gonna fold it up like this. Just move this to the center. Gonna let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until it brown. All right, so now it looks like we're good here. Flip it over on this side. We're gonna get that baby brown on that side. All right, so it looks like we are good right here. So I'm gonna take this off, I'm gonna remove it, and I'm just gonna add this here to a pan, and I'm gonna stick it in a warmer, and we're gonna continue with the remaining of our quesadillas. All right, so we're finishing up on our last quesadilla. Man, look how beautiful these babies look. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out our pan. We're gonna move over to our cutting board, and we're gonna take a look at these babies, all right? Guys, take a look at that right there. Man, whoo, these babies look good. Let's go ahead and let's cut into one of them. Guys, take a look at that. Oh man, this looks delicious. All right, so let's go ahead and get these on the plate, get into our final presentation and quality control. All right, let's go. And there you have it, shrimp Quesadillas. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. I'll leave all the measurements and ingredients in the video description below for you guys to check out. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control because I'm ready to go. Let's go. All right, we're back in here. Quality control time, guys. I just put a few quesadillas on here for us to test out. Without further ado, we're not gonna waste no time because these babies are hot. And man, they smell good and they look good. All right, let's go here. The taco seasoning, man, I tell you, works wonders. This is delicious. Very easy. God, you can prepare this in less than 15 to 20 minutes, should I say. 15 to 20 minutes, you got this and it's done. So, until then, let's get another bite. So, until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, guys, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.